Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of KeenaganCreations, and today we're going to be working more on the resin project. As you can see, I flipped it over so we can start working on the back. Go ahead and get that nice blue, green, tealish look, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the back, and it'll look like there's kind of like an island in the middle of like a body of water. As you can see from when we were sealing up the top portion, it did kind of leak into the bottom. I went ahead and retaped everything and I've got it all looking nice. Now we're going to go ahead and pour the resin. It's a 50-50 mix and I go by volume. Some people go by weight. With this being my first build, we'll see how this goes. If I have any cracks or overheating or any issues like that, then I'll probably go ahead and swap over to the weight instead of the volume. I might try the weight one just to see how it is later on, because I am kind of curious on how much it would actually take per weight instead of volume. So now we're just gonna add some colorant and then we'll start mixing it up. I'm going to start out with like a more greenish teal, and then I'll probably go ahead and make another batch that'll be more of a dark blue, because I want a nice like water look to it. We're done mixing it up. As you can see, it's a nice greenish color. You can go ahead and make this first layer on here and we'll go from there. Alright, and as you can see, this is a nice thin pour. It's not going to be really deep. I don't have like a deep pour resin. It's more of just a crafting resin. And we're going to make this one a nice deep blue. Alright, that turned out to be a really nice, beautiful, deep blue, like what I was looking for. So now we're going to pour this on, and hopefully it'll turn out really nice. I'm also hoping that I have enough that it covers all of the bare wood. Alright, looks like I got just enough in there. As you can see, there's still a little bit poking out, but I think it'll be okay. Like I said, it's not a deep pour, so I don't want to go too thick with my pours. But I think this will make the bottom really stand out. And I'm hoping that where I taped around it, if there is any leaks, it'll go around into the wood and maybe look like there's more like water cascading around it. I think that'll look really nice. Alright, and I think that's going to be it for now. We're going to go ahead and let this settle and dry, and we'll come back out here probably tomorrow and do another pour, and we'll keep working on the resin build. If you like this, like, comment, subscribe, send it to your friends,